Join the palm. Drop your hand here and jump back. Parvatasana. Now bend your knee. Jump forward. Join the palm. Drop your hand here. Jump back. Parvatasana. And hold here, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now your right leg up toward the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leg straight, sir. 6, 7, 8, 9. And now your right leg move towards your left hand. And please wide your leg, please. Now cross and your left hand up. Yes, very good. You both legs straight. 1, Sindhuji more forward towards the hand. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now your left hand down here, like that, please. And please drop your body here and up in Bhujangasana, like that. Stretch your body here. 1, up. Yes, stretch your body upside. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now bring your leg back and shake your leg. Shake your leg here, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now your left leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now with the left leg, cross your right leg, and now your left hand or left shoulder, right hand up. Hip region up. 1, 2, 3. More up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now your right hand down also on mat and push your body down here and up, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back your leg and shake your leg here again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your knee and jump forward in Malasana. Spine straight, please, and jump to palm. 1, look forward. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now your left hand back here, please. As well as back. Don't put close. As well as wide here. And now your right hand also up and press your hip region upside, please. Like that. Up. Lift your hip region up. Yes. 1, 2. Your hand as well as close with the other hand. 2, 3. Yes. Look your hand. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back and Malasana. Spine straight, please. Keep normal inhale and deep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now your right hand back, please, as well as back and up. Your hip region up. 1, 2, 3, 4. More press up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Malasana here, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, now drop your hand on mat Just relax your body and breath here. Now you have to drop your hip prison here. First, you have to sit in a formal pose like that, and keep your spine straight. Okay, don't sit like that. Keep your spine straight here, please. Lengthen spine. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now join to leg here, please. Close your knee and your left hand back here like that, please. And with the right elbow, just cross your left knee. Okay, don't make a gap in between your knee. Just your both knee close and look back. You have two options. You can do like that. Okay, if you are comfortable here, just join to palm and look back. If you cannot balance here, you can drop left hand here like that. Just press your abdomen inside. Also, yes, very good, sir. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, please. Keep deep inhale and exhale. Now, your right hand back, left hand up, and with the left hand cross your right leg and your left hand put on your hip region and look back, please. Otherwise, you can join to palm. Look back, please, as well as twist your spine. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, please. Release your hand. Relax, please. Leg forward here. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, Spanish straight, please. And with both hand finger, your index finger and middle finger, you have to catch a big toe and stretch your leg here like that. Spine is straight. Spine should be straight. Stretch your leg and look your big toe. One, two, three. Balance your third balancer. 4, 5. Keep straight. 6. Press your knee. 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, please. And your feet as well as close towards the pelvic region and catch your feet with both hands and press your knee towards the mat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, Spanish state 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax, please. Now leg straight and now please boat pose like that, please. Cross your hand and boat pose like that, please. One leg up and one leg down. Keep straight your leg here. One, two, leg straight. 3, yes. 4, little bit up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 12 counting. 9, 10, 11, 12. Sit here, sir. Long inhale and exhale now. Switch your leg, please. Your left leg up and right leg down and switch your hand also. 12 counting only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Relax, please. Long inhale and exhale. Now you both hand down here, please. Finger inside and mat level distance between your feet. Spanish straight. Long inhale. Exhale. Drop your leg towards the right side and look left hand side. Inhale up. Exhale down. Look at the side. Inhale up. Exhale as well as press your knee. Inhale Spine straight also. Exhale, inhale, exhale and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, exhale again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, please. Long inhale and exhale now. Lie down on a back here. Relax, please. Long inhale and exhale. Now your hand under your hip position, please, like that, please. And your leg straight. Inhale, first lift both legs 30 degree here. 30 degree, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leg straight are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 60 degree here like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Little bit down to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 90 degree here. Keep your leg straight. 1, 2, 3, 20 counting here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now 60 degree. 10 counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 30 degree. 10 counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, please. Relax your spine. Take a deep inhale. Exhale now. First, we will do fish pose. You can keep your leg straight and take support with your elbow and lift your upper body and center of your head, crown of your head touch with the mat like that pose. And release your elbow, your hand put on your thighs. Make it in your upper body. If you have any thyroid problem, it's very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Relax here, please. Long inhale and exhale. Fold both legs. Now your right leg roll on left and both hands shoulder level. With the left hand, catch your right knee and drop your leg towards the left side. Drop your leg towards left side and look right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release your hand up, release your leg and switch your leg, please. Now your left leg roll on right, lock your foot here also. Now with the right hand, catch your left knee and drop your knee towards your right side. Look at this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release your hand up and relax, please. Leg straight now. Now Pawan Muktasana. Okay, with the variation like that, please. Long exhale here, like 1, like that. Keep alternate, like 1, 2. Long inhale, exhale, close. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, hold please like that. Hold here. 1, your other foot little bit up. 5, Shiva sir. 6 foot up. 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch here please. 1, 2. If you have any shoulder pain, don't lift the upper body. 5, 6, 7. You can keep down. 8, 9, 10. Now both legs here please. And close your body leather please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax please. In Savasana, your palm facing upside. Close your eyes here. You feel relaxed and energize each and every part of your body. Take a deep inhale, exhale, and thank you so much